Stop using ChatGPT like Google. You're wasting AI. If you're opening ChatGPT only to ask simple questions like, what's the capital of Cameroon? What's the capital of France? You are wasting one of the most powerful tools ever created. Most people use AI like Google, and that's why they think that AI is overrated. Let me show you what they're missing. When I started using ChatGPT, I made the same error. I asked one question, I received one answer, and I closed the app. Then I went back and I spent hours in researching, in writing scripts, in editing the videos, trying to figure out everything by myself. I was not using AI. I was using an expensive camera. Maybe you have done the same thing. Everything changed when I stopped treating ChatGPT like a search engine, and I started treating it like an assistant. Instead of asking questions like, give me a video idea, I started saying, you're a YouTube strategist. My audience is young Africans who wants to learn AI. Give me 20 videos idea that solve real problems. Rank them from easiest to hardest to produce. The answer became completely different. Then I asked ChatGPT to improve those ideas, then to write the script, then to create the thumbnail concept, then the title, then the description. One conversation replaced hours of work. That's when I realized something very, very persistent. The quality of AI is not limited by the tool. It is limited by the questions we ask. Here are 3 ways to stop using ChatGPT like Google. Rule number 1, give it a role. Don't ask, write a script. Instead, say this: you're a YouTube strategist with 10 years of experience. Write a script that keeps viewers watching until the end. The better the role, the better the response. Rule number 2, give it context. Tell it who you are. What's your goal? Who is your audience? What is your constraints? The more context you provide, the more personalized the output is going to produce. Number 3, keep the conversation going. Most people ask one question and they leave. Instead, refine the results. Ask to make the hook stronger. Ask for better example. Ask to simplify the explanation. Think of it like you are talking with a teammate and not with a search bar. So here is the lesson. Google gives you information. ChatGPT think, create, and solve a problem. They are the ones who ask better questions. So the next time you open ChatGPT, start a conversation. It might completely change the way you work. If you find this useful, subscribe, because every week I will show you useful ways in which you can use AI to save time, create more, and stay ahead without hype.